Packet Tracer is one of the popular network simulation programs used by network engineers and CCNA students. It is both useful for users and it is very easy to use it. In this video, we will download Packet Tracer and install it to our computer. To do this, we will write Packet Tracer download and click the second link. This is the website of netacad.com. Here, we will go to below a little and click download link. But firstly, we should log into the website to activate these download links. If you have no account, you should create one with sign up link. I will write my login email and password, and then I will click login button. After login, the download links will be available. Here, there are 3 links, one for macOS, one for Ubuntu Linux, and one for Windows. I will download Windows version because it is more common. And my PC is also running Windows. After selecting the place of the program .exe file, I will start the download. Yes, download has finished. Now, let's click Packet Tracer installation file and start the installation. I will accept the agreement and click Next. I will select the place where I will install this program and click Next. If you would like to create a desktop Packet Tracer icon, you can select it here. Lastly, we will click the Install button to install the program. We will click Finish. It will open the Packet Tracer. Here you are. Packet Tracer is ready to use. You can create your own topology here and work on the network devices. For example, you can take a switch here and add 3 PCs. Then you can connect these PCs to this switch. You can give IP addresses to these PCs one by one, like real PCs. And you can test connectivity by pinging each node. You can also work on command line of the switch by entering enable mode. You can view its interfaces, etc. You can do practice on any of your network topologies. Even there are some limitations on some commands, Packet Tracer is a good platform, especially for CCNA and CCNP candidates.